In this video, I'll show you how you can fix League of Legends client is not loading. Now, if you can open the right client and you can get to this page, then you want to try and repair League of Legends. If you cannot open this, however, you want to go to Task Manager, go to Details, sort by the name, press anywhere and press L, look if you have League of Legends open. If you do, in the task, then press R and look for Riot Client Services. Make sure Riot Client is closed down, as well as the League of Legends. And then what you want to do is you want to find your Riot Client folder. So search for Riot Client, right click and open file location, and then do it once again. This will take you to the Riot Client folder. Then right click on Riot Client Services, Properties, Compatibility, activate these two. Do it on your desktop icon as well if you have it. Activate these two. Then you want to go back to Riot Games, League of Legends, League Client, Properties, do the exact same. Head up to Game, League of Legends, Properties, do the exact same. And if you have it on your desktop, you want to do the exact same here. Once you've done it for all of those, you just want to relaunch League and then it should work. Now, if for some reason this is still not working, the last option is just to reinstall the game, and that should also fix it. Now, I really hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.